Hello students, now we will understand that there are methods of finding A inverse. There are two methods to find A inverse. First method is matrix method. Second one is elementary operation method. Elementary method or elementary operation method. So this matrix method will come on determinant chapter, and that is somehow easy compared to elementary operation method. You know students, this is the method which always ask in his exams, but most of the students what they does, they just apply this method to solve the question. But CBSE board never allows, if they have written elementary operation, so the student must solve the question in elementary method only, otherwise they won't allow to give a single marks to the student, although their answer is same. So you have to understand the thing, if there is a mention in a question that you have to solve the question by using elementary method, so you have to solve by elementary method only. But if there is no specification is mentioned, just there is mentioned find A inverse, so you can apply any of the matrix method, but if there is any specification about the method, you have to go for that particular method only. Understood? So you can understand the importance of it. And this is the method, this is a question that usually comes in a highest marks, like 6 marks question type of question. This is long answer type of question. So here we have to understand this method from the very beginning. So let's start. So we are going for elementary method on this chapter. The elementary method is in a form of method where we have to operate the equation in a form of rows or in a form of column only. If you start operation by using row form of transformation, so that will be single form of transformation, or if you start transformation from column form, so that will must go on up to the solution, that should be in a row form only. You cannot change the method in between that. If you start from the row method, suddenly jump to the column method, that will be the wrong solution. There will be no marks for you. So you have to understand this thing. So here A is equal to I into A. All of you knows it. So if you have identity matrix and a same order, the order must be same. Order of A equals to order of B, or I. If order of A is equals to order of I, they both in the same order, that time if you multiply I into A, this will becomes A only. But if you have to solve this in such a way that if you multiply with this A inverse on both sides, so this will become identity matrix, and this A inverse into I into A become A only. So here you understood, I into A becomes A only, and this will become A inverse. So this A inverse you can consider as B. So I equals to B into A, or there is a commutative law, you can write AB equals to BA, so need not to worry about it when there is a same order in a multiple form. So you understood the thing, like A equals to I into A, here I is identity matrix, here we have to multiply by A inverse both sides. Next step, so A inverse is multiplied with this, and there is an identity like A inverse when multiplied with A, this becomes identity matrix. So this will become identity matrix, and I told you earlier A equals to I into A already is mentioned. So here you will write A only. So I equals to A inverse into A. So A inverse is considered like B. So you can write B is equal to A inverse, or B A equals to AB. That will be the different concept. That is always equal to each other. So here you understand. So there is a method where you have to find the equation in this form only. How we will solve this? This will be a matter of concern. So now we will think of it. Now, yeah, you can pause the video and write the solution method. How I am doing. So it will be easy to understand. So we will start from easiest question. We will not go for the difficult one from the first question. It should be. Otherwise, there will be a difficulty to you to solve the things. Like 1, 4, and this one is 3. We have considered A equals to 1, 4, 3, 2, 3. This is one consideration what I did. And so I need not to think, because this is 2 cross 2 matrix, I must be equals to 1, 0, 0, 1 only. So now we will apply the format. A equals to I into A. Here what you do, you have to apply this values here. First of all, you will write 1, 4, 2, 3, and here in place of identity matrix you will write 1, 0, 0, 1. But you should not write a value of A here. You just write A only. And you have to simplify this equation in such a way that this value becomes I, means 1, 0, 0, 1, and whatever value must be here, and multiple of will be here, multiple of A will come. This entire value becomes A inverse, and here the solution will equals to I equals to A inverse into A. So this is the method, but it will be not clear from this equation. I have to start from the initial, but I started just basic structure to you, and this will be the format how you will deal the question. I personally prepared this video because it is somehow difficult, and it takes time to understand, and the next question we will understand the thing, how to operate the thing. So I am just taking an example, a question. Like 5 minus 1. Okay, good. There is a question 5 minus 1, 1 and 4. I will check the question. No, here is 1. Okay, 1. Why I picked this question? Because I have the solution. I have the answer. So it will be easy to check. Otherwise it will take a time. So here A equals to this question is mentioned. And here what you do, you start from the very first operation. A equals to I into A you have to write. So here instead of A you will write 5 minus 1, 1, 1. And here I is here, this is 1, 0, 0, 1 into it. But it is the time where you have to make this value as a I. So if you want to make it as a I, so here must be 1 and here must be 0, then again here must be 0 and here must be 1. So you have to operate the thing like it become I, identity matrix, and whatever values here, that will be changed according to it. But we need not to focus on this value. We have to think, we have to simplify such a way that this A becomes I. So that will be the solution. So start from it. So here what we do, first of all we have to think this is 5, And as we know, as I told, here what we are trying to make, here we have to make 1. So making it 1, so you can do one thing. So here what I am doing, I am just going for row transformation method. So we will apply the row transformation only. So what we do, we will interchange row 1 into row 2. This is row 1, this is row 2. When you interchange it, so this will become 1, 1, 5, minus 1. So you just careful about it that here when you interchange the values here, so in place of I, whatever values here, that also get changed itself. So it need not to change, but because you are changing this value here, so it will change here only. So now what we do, next step, this become 1. So what we have to find, this one must be 0. So finding this 0, what you do, you apply the operation R2 minus R2. Here what we do, we will apply operation in R2. R2 minus 5 times of R1. Why? If you this we do, this R2 is here 5, this one is R1 is 1. If you multiply this in 5 times, so if and subtract from this, this will become 0. And what is our target? It must be 0. So what you do now, you will apply the format. You will run 1, 1, there will be no change in R1, but here 5 minus 1 into 5, got it? Same thing will happen here also, minus 1 is here, but the operation will apply here, R2 minus 5 times of R1, this place here. You understand the gap should be there, otherwise there will be a difficulty to understand. This is one group and this is one group element. Here, as you know, if you apply any operation here, the effect will come here only. So what will be the effect? R1 will be the same, but R2 get changed because R1 minus R2 minus 5 times of R1. Here 0 is here, 0 minus 5 times of R1. R1 value is here 1. Here. So it will become 1, 5 minus 5, 1, minus 1 minus 5, this is 0, 1 minus 0, 1, this one is 1 and this becomes minus 5 here. Now go for next one. This is the form 1, 0, 1, minus 6. Here 0, 1, 1, minus 5, this one is A. Here 1, 0 is here, but what we have to do, this must be 1. How we will make it 1? It is a challenge. How we will do? Just think for it once I clear your doubt. I think what you do, you can understand. This is minus 6. First go for dividing it by minus 6. It will become 1. So R2 get 1 by 6 times, minus 1 by 6 times of R2. Means what you do, multiply R2 by 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6. So R1 will not change. R2, instead of R2, what we do, right? This is minus 6 by minus 6. This is the value. Here, as I told, the reflex will be here only. The reflex will go 0, 1. Here 1 by minus 6 and minus 5 by 6 will be here. This is A only. My board is not large, so I have to write this. Otherwise, you must pause video and just go for the content. Here this value becomes 1, 1, this becomes 0, 0 divided by anything becomes 0 only, and this will be 1, and here 0 minus 1 by 6, 1 minus 5 by 6, and this is into multiply by 8. So now next step from here, what we do, here 1 0 is here, yes, 1 and 0 is clear, 1 is here, yes, 1 is here, but now here what we want, yeah, it must be 0. So getting it 0, what we write, R1 minus, now it is the time of R1, R1 tends to, where you are operating the things, here you have to write R1 tends to R1 minus R2. What will happen? So here the value becomes 1 minus R2 is 0, no problem, 1 minus 1, good, but R2 is, there is no change, R2 will be the same, 0, 1. Here there will be operation that is already developed due to this, and this here what to write, 0 minus minus 1 by 6, and this will be 1 by 6 only, and here 1 minus minus 5 by 6, and this one will be the same, minus 5 by 6 into A. Now it becomes 1 0 0 1, means I identity matrix is developed here, but here what will be the solution, it will be 1 by 6, and this will be 1 plus 5 by 6, and this is minus 1 by 6, and next one is 5 by 6. Just go for LCM of this part, 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6, 11 by 6 minus 5 by 6, and this one is A, and this one called I. So as I told, when you find I here in the left hand side, so the multiple of A becomes A inverse. So A inverse will become 1 by 6, 11 by 6, minus 1 by 6, minus 5 by 6. I think you understood the thing. I hope you understand this concept, and if you have any doubt, just you can text me, and today I will give the assignment related to 2 cross 2 matrix only. We will not go for 3 cross 3 matrix, because 3 cross 3 already have some more confusions, but we will go gradually, things will be clear to you definitely. And here this method is called elementary method. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.